With FinaMill's lineup of swappable pods, the possibilities for discovering new flavors are endless. How about sprinkling some dried parsley or sage over your favorite pasta dish? Or maybe topping off that pad thai with some freshly ground peanuts? Or maybe grating some dark chocolate onto your morning latte or bowl of ice cream? Let's explore how to use each of our pods and unlock your culinary creativity. This is our everyday pod for coarse salts and dried herb seeds like fennel, cumin, coriander, and sesame seeds. It's also great for dried onion and toasted garlic, and so much more. You can put peppercorns in our everyday pod, but we made a special pepper pod for milling peppercorns with a super fast and even grind. And you could make your own blend of white, black, pink, and red peppercorns and use this pod for that premium restaurant experience. I love this one, our Herbs Plus pod. It's perfect for grinding all types of dried herbs like oregano, rosemary, dill, thyme, and sage, just to name a few. It's also perfect for grinding larger whole spices like allspice, juniper berries, and can even grind coffee beans or espresso. Our grater pod is our most innovative design with a strong stainless steel grater disc that can chew through whole nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, star anise, and more. But let's get even more creative. The grater pod can even be used to grate nuts like pistachios, hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts, peanuts, and equally exciting, it works perfectly on all types of chocolate, freeze-dried fruit, and so much more. Your culinary flavor imagination can truly run wild with this one. Filling the grater pod is a slightly different process than the others. We're gonna hold the base by the red textured grip edges, and with your other hand, unscrew the cap container. Then we'll remove the red press, fill the base with your ingredient. Then we're gonna replace the red press by aligning these grooves right here. Then twist the cap back on. Also, you don't need to unscrew the bottom ring of the grater pod unless you're cleaning the grater's disc. In our next video, we'll take you through some options to keep your spices organized with our FinaMill trays. Check them out and we'll see you in the kitchen.